It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Cold climate, a book, a cup of coffee, blanket. It's like a match made in heaven. Hey guys, Trishta, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And I got my treat. Okay, so I have my Kindle. It's like a file kind of document stuff, like doesn't matter. And I was too lazy to get myself a knife or a scissor. My scissors are broken or stuff. I don't know. I got this scale, like silver scale. So I'm gonna cut this. The packaging is a bit pale, to be honest. I'm looking like I'm murdering something.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Ow! Oh my god! I nearly cut myself. Can you see that? It's like really tiny. Doesn't matter. Okay, here we have it. I don't wanna. Okay, it's done. It opens like a file. I'm really aggressive when it comes to packaging. Really aggressive. So it's done. Here we have the bill. Let me see. So the thing is, I got this, the bill and stuff, that doesn't matter, but here I have a gift note to myself, okay? I just did for myself, I just want to do that. A gift from Srishta, from me to myself, heart from Srishta. I don't know, this just feels like, something special, I don't know. Like, no one's gonna give me gifts, so it's myself doing the favor, like, doesn't matter. So here I have it. Okay. So this is sort of destroyed, to be honest. Like, see this side and this side. It's a bit, I don't know, it's been cared nicely or not. So keeping aside the packaging, now we have our Kindle. Let's go. This is really satisfying. I'm gonna show you guys. Okay. Okay. Oh, this can't be done. It wasn't as satisfying I thought. It's like, see this side, it's like really damaged. It's empty, nothing else. I don't know. It feels like ethereal to hold this thing up. And here we have the packaging. Let's open this. They're like really bent out, I doubt they did a good care. This is the user manual of this thing. I doubt anyone's gonna read it or not, because I'm not gonna read this thing. What happened to a lightning? Anyway, so this is the thing. Learn more about the Kindle Paperwhite by visiting Kindle User's Guide located under device settings. I don't do that. And here we have the charger. My phone is also on USB-C. And our tiny baby is right here. It looks like really big. Also, I want to get a pop socket other than a case. I do have myself a case of this. This is this case, okay? I also got it. It's like really pretty. Let's see this from here. Like, it's aesthetic. Also, I just got this case, but in case, I got this case in case, and I want a pop socket. I ordered it. It's gonna be coming on like Thursday or something. So it's like, hold it and read it. It's really easy. So soft. It feels illegal to touch this thing. I don't know why. So I have to hold the power button. Done. Okay. Let me see the display. It's like, small whitish dots are available right this side. It is not visible on the camera, but I can see that. Okay. I'm suddenly so thirsty. English, of course. Then you can see. Uh, where it is. Yeah. Selected region, United Kingdom, United States. I'm not either. I am from India, so I think I should do United Kingdom because the English is, I think that's better. I don't know. I didn't understand United Kingdom. Someone hold this thing right here. I'm gonna drink some water. That is so. It is also waterproof. If you ask me what I'm reading right now, I'm actually reading Korathami Furies. Right now, it's in the middle. And at last of this video, I'm going to show you guys my bookshelf, like a small peek, if you guys want to see it. And after this Kindle, I'm not planning to grow any more of my bookshelf, which I feel really sorry to do that. You can see, this is like the books outside the bookshelf. Like inside, there are more books, like they're out of space. And this thing is actually a shoe rack, okay? I'm like really broke out there. And what do you guys feel about my new setting? Just tell me, okay? It's my book nook right here. And I also have a small space right here, okay? To sit actually, like. I'm gonna just read here right here. It's like really cozy. So I have it's okay and ignore the background. No thanks. It's setting up my library. Show my yes, I want to like download all of the books right now and it's gonna take a lot of time. I also have From Love with Lukov. I did it like a half of the book. So that's it the video guys. It's been a lot since I have been doing it. So meet you guys on my next video. I'm gonna post it really soon because I'm going to, make a small reading vlog or something because it's atmospheric weather and also a TBR list for I think um, autumn. Yeah, I was just gonna say August, and I have to clean this mess up. If you guys ask me, if you guys show you, like this, look around. It's like really messy, and here's my bookshelf. Like, don't look at the damage anyway. This corner of my room is like the most prettiest one right here, and I have my guitar right here. The lightning is gonna play off. Bye! It's dark out here. See you guys in the next video.